Click the Start button, type Backup, and press Enter. Here we are in the main Backup and Restore control panel screen. I click Create a System Repair Disk to build the bootable disk that will be needed in some restore scenarios. Since I have UAC enabled, and you should too, I need to allow the elevation. I've already inserted a blank CD into my burner, drive G, which Windows detected automatically, so I just press the Create Disk button. I eject the new burned restored disk, write a label on it with my Sharpie pen, and close both dialog boxes. I make sure to put this disk where I can find it if I need it later. Because this is a new install of Windows 7, I need to click Set Up Backup. This also requires UAC elevation, so I allow it. Now you'll choose the target drive for your backup. This is where your backed up files will be stored. Here I choose the external backup disk that I connected via USB. Click Next when you are satisfied with your choice. Here you choose which files to back up. If you let Windows choose, it will include all files in your defined libraries which are stored on local hard drives, not network drives. It will also back up default Windows files including app data, contacts, desktop, downloads, favorites, links, saved games, and searches. If there is enough space on your target drive and that drive is formatted as NTFS, it will also save all your programs, a system image of Windows, and all drivers and registry settings. So essentially, the Let Windows Choose option will save a full system image if your target drive is large enough. This is the simplest option and should usually be the one you choose. However, today I'm going to pick the Let Me Choose option just to show what's possible. Here you can see that I have options to back up data for specific individual users. I can also choose to back up data for future users who have not yet been named. And I can back up data held on any local drive and drill as far into those drives as I like, placing a check mark next to those folders I want backed up and removing the check mark from those folders that I do not want backed up. Finally, it's always a good idea to include a system image, which will ensure that you'll back up a full copy of Windows itself. And finally, we have the confirmation screen, which lists the major items that I've chosen to back up. This screen also shows that the backup is scheduled to happen every Sunday at 7 p.m. I have the ability to change that schedule by clicking this Change Schedule link. Here we see that I can change the schedule to daily, weekly, or monthly, and select the day and time that the backup will start. I click OK to confirm my choices. There's some help text available under this link, which I won't explore right now. I click the Save Settings and Run Backup button, and I'm returned to the main window where I can watch the status of my backup. After it completes, I'll be able to restore from this backup or to manually kick off a new backup at any time.